Hello students! Today we are going to work on part C of our assembly project. So the item that you see here is called the wedge ring, and we are going to begin on the XY plane. And here are our measurements. You'll see that under step 14 in your directions. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So we want to file new, and then it is in inches, standard.ipt, start our 2D sketch, XY plane. All right, so we are going to begin with a construction line. So turn on your construction tool and the line. We're going to go 1.06 to the right. Then we want to hit escape and then turn off that construction line. So from our construction line here, where we ended, we're going to pick up from there and we're going to go right another 0.815, but we're actually going to put in a line. So pick up where you left off from that 1.060, and then we are going to put in 0.815. Hit enter. Then we will come up 0.5, hit enter, and then we will go to the left 0.125. So you should have something that looks like this. We are beginning to put together this part here. So we went across this middle part here over to the right. We came up the 0.5 and then we've come over the 0.125. Now we are going to put in this arc here. Okay, so before we do that, we need to finish off our line so that we know what we're going to revolve around. So we're going to go back to line and then construct. And then we are going to come up from the middle with our construction line 5.184. Hit enter and you should have your construction line there. That is actually our line that we are going to revolve. Hit escape, turn off the construction line. Now we are going to put in our arc. So we need our center point arc. So come up to your arc, choose center point. And then we are going to put this arc in from the top of our construction line that we just put in. You might need to zoom out a little bit. There we go. All right, let's select our arc, center point. We will come up here from the top, come down to where we connect to the end of the 0.125. We want to swing it to the left we'll go about 11 degrees because it has to be past this point right here. And then anything extra we can always trim off. So a little over 10 should do it. Go ahead and hit escape. Now we're going to draw that line from the bottom from here up to our arc. So use your line tool and then we're just going to come up and see if we snap on. You should snap on. Hit escape and then click trim. We're going to get rid of this extra little piece of our arc that we do not need. Okay, now we're going to revolve. So go over to your 3D model, click on revolve, and we're going to revolve what we just created around our construction line that we created in the middle there. Click OK, isometric view, and there is your wedge ring. So let's go ahead and put in our color. Our color is titanium polish. All right, there's titanium polished. And there is your wedge ring, which is part C. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.